There is something very special about a snowstorm. It slows everything down and it makes you feel your space. When winter hits hard, reality hits harder. The parking situation that was fine suddenly isn't. The drafty windows, the high heating bill, the lack of storage, they stop being small inconveniences and start becoming daily stress. And sometimes a blizzard brings clarity. Maybe it's time for a garage. Maybe it's time for better insulation. Maybe it's time to downsize. Maybe it's time to stop postponing. A storm doesn't just move snow, it moves people. It helps them decide, not out of fear, but out of desire for comfort, for ease, for home. If this winter made you feel a bit different about the place you live, maybe it's not the weather, maybe it's time to set new real estate goals. And when you're ready, I'm here.